Still, if you think that Bitcoin don't make the bottom, then this video is only for you. I just describe you what is the purpose, why Bitcoin going down, and why Bitcoin can going up, and what is the zone. $28,000 or $30,000 is most above. This time we can going up, or we can get a pump in Bitcoin or crypto market. So let's see what's happened in next. Basic crypto world, free learning and earning. Stay with us. Let's take a look at the BTC weekly chart technical analysis. Welcome again in basic crypto world. You can see the RSI. RSI is now too low, 33.47, and we can see repeated in $17,000 support. 2 times we retest this zone. If we break this time, then we can see a lots of downtrend in market. But you can see, remember one thing, when Bitcoin, see this, when Bitcoin make a bottom, that time not 2 time spent there. See this, when we break down $16,000, we later down only 2 weeks and we touch $30,000, and just a moment we grow up $5,000 in this 30,000 zone, and then we retest $41,000, and then again we retest this zone. Then sometime Bitcoin gets some time, and third time attempt the $30,000, and then going the market, and we test the our highest zone of Bitcoin, $69,000, and again we can see just bearish moment. We can see a long time in this market. Eventually 8 November 2021, we can see just down and down. So this is the time to make a bottom. If we don't make this next 1 month, we can see a grow up in this market, because now we see just a sideways market. If we attempt in this zone 1 time, then we can just retest a movement like this. Then if we don't go ladder down, then we can go high. Then again we can retest there and go high. So be careful. For chart analysis, we can see we are nearest the red line in the bottom. See this, nearing the bottom, $12,000. Sorry, yes, $12,000. This is our triangle bottom. We could see a breakout from the large decline triangle pattern, which I believe is a bullish sharp harmonic pattern. If it proves a valid reversal indicator, we could see a good rally from around $12K to $13K. This is my observation opinion. Alternatively, we can see it test the 10K mark support. Why it's test this zone? Because this is the bottom up which we start the bull run 20,000. 20. Okay, let's see. But my opinion is neutral bearish on the short term but bullish on the long term, because we can see last 1 year a long time period of bearishness, and we fulfill almost 1 hour when we got the November month. So Bitcoin now try to make this bottom before coming November or November first week. November first week. So if we don't go there this time, then we can see Bitcoin hit this zone, then again try to retest this zone, then we can see this zone, then we can retest there, then we can, this is the right wave. Okay, this is the right wave, and this is, it's just my, now we can draw the right wave. If we break down this zone, first of all we hit there, then we can try to retest this zone, then again we can, if we try to falling down, then we can hit this zone. Okay, and we make a color change. Okay, then sideways. This is the point of view of weekly in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin going down, that time we can see more bearishness in Ethereum. Disclaimer: this video only for information and education purpose. I am not a financial advisor, so I request you do your own analysis first, then learn and take a trade. Crypto market is too volatile, so be careful. Subscribe Basic Crypto World and click bell icon. I don't think, but my buying zone in Ethereum is under $460. Why? Because when Bitcoin down, Ethereum most of time take a correction almost 61%. $81%. But if we see the past market, we can see Ethereum going down in their highest 97%. So we can see there only 81%. 4,400, we can see only 81%. If we see there 97%, then we can see there 95%, $225. So be careful when Bitcoin going down and it's hit the bottom and make too much down in Ether. So if you want to make a good profit in Ether, then you have to wait your time. and you have to place your buying order under 400. If you think I am kidding, no, I am not kidding. My buying zone is $250, then $300, and then $350. This is my 3 zone. Okay, and this is our fib level. You can take a picture in our fib level. And one more coin, I take a trade because of lot of time. I just wait and wait in this zone. See this, BCS. This is a trending coin, was 18 to 20, but lots of time we don't see more growing in this time BCS coin. So I am waiting the lower zone in this coin. I just take only $100 in this coin, BCS, Bitcoincrash. It's my favorite coin. It was my favorite coin when 2018. But now Ether and BTC. I just did Ether and BTC. No more coin. And this is the point of view. RSI setting was too important. I just see you. RSI setting. I just show you. RSI. Upper zone 90. Bottom 10. Okay, RSI upper zone 90 and bottom 10. No more than in this zone, RSI zone. This is my RSI zone. Upper zone 90 and bottom zone 10. You can see my white zone is 90 and upper zone is, down zone is 30. We are now below this zone, so too much buying volume coming, but we don't see more jump in Bitcoin. So that it's indicate that Bitcoin going down. And when we detach this zone, then we can see more pump in Bitcoin, because almost 1 year is going jump, and we can see more 2 or 3 months is bearish or sideways. Then we can see a next move in next January 2023. So what's happening next, we can see when we enter the market. Next week I want to start a live class in how to trade in a newer or beginner in my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page, Basic Crypto World BD. I just shared there my some opinion and some profit picture. See this, and some short reel. So you can join my Facebook page, facebook.com/basiccryptoworld. Such same address in my. So if you want to join my live class, how to take a trade as a newer, you need only $10 for your trading, not for me. Okay, so if you interested, then you can comment my video and click the like button, and if you like my video, then pin your comment. What do you want to know more in next? So tata, bye bye. Talk to you later when we get a new update in crypto market. Assalamu alaikum.